what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely amazing. Guys, it's been a while that I've uploaded a talk on this channel, and today's video is not a particular talk, is not that kind of video where I share my experiences or share my personal tips to you all. But this video is something special, and today I'm going to unbox my new phone, iPhone 13. So guys, as you can see, this is my new iPhone 13, and today's video is not only about unboxing it, but also to tell you why and how did I buy this phone. Here goes. I've been thinking about upgrading my device since I started recording videos and posting them on YouTube. Earlier, I had two options. I could buy a DSLR or I could buy a good phone. I was thinking for a DSLR, but when I talked to my friends and I talked to my cousin brother, he told me that to carry a DSLR, it could be cumbersome task. It could be difficult for you if you are vlogging, if you are traveling in public transport. Then I came across this idea that, dude, I'm using iPhone X right now, and I seriously need a phone upgrade as well because I like to capture pictures on the way, and I'm really enjoying vlogging right now rather than other videos. And vlogging is something which is really exciting for me, and it's very good to document whenever I go out or whenever I'm doing something important. So I made a choice between a phone and a camera, and I decided to buy an iPhone 13. I know guys here will be like,
ब्रो तेरे को आईफोन 14 लेना चाहिए था। क्या ले लिया तूने? 13 पुराना ऑब्सोलीट हो गया भाई। या अगर तेरे को पैसे डाल के तू प्रो लेने चाहिए थे। 14 में ये फीचर्स है, 13 में ये फीचर्स है, 13 बहुत पुराना है, आउटडेटेड है।
I'm like, bro, wait. तुम ऑनलाइन देखो जाके प्राइस 13 का. It's crazy out there. It's the best deal. It's literally the best deal on Flipkart, Amazon. I don't care from where you're buying or you don't believe in online shopping, but I personally bought it on Flipkart. It's like 55. नहीं, कम बोल दिया. 58 था. पता नहीं, ऐसे ही कुछ था. अंडर 60,000 आई गॉट इट. एंड बहुत ही इंसेन प्राइस चल रहा है फ्लिपकार्ट पे. आई एम नॉट प्रमोटिंग फ्लिपकार्ट राइट नाउ, बट what I'm saying is, if you are buying a phone, it's up to you which phone you're buying, but phone obviously acts as a status symbol in these times. लेकिन मेरा क्या था, मुझे फ़ोन ऐसा चाहिए था जो मेरे काम आए, एंड 13 seemed to be the best option out there. Again, I'm not going to compare iPhone 13 and iPhone 14. You could easily watch a video on that by just typing on YouTube iPhone 13 versus iPhone 14 like that. There are tremendous amounts of results. I've watched a lot of videos like that, and I came to this conclusion that there are only two differences in terms of camera when we talk about these two phones. One is the action mode and the other is cinematic mode. And cinematic mode आपका iPhone 13 में भी है, but 14 में is like you have that 4K feature in cinematic mode, which really helps you to capture videos in better quality, in 4K quality. But what I have seen is कि 4K and HD, not that much of a difference if you have good lighting. So without any further delay, let's unbox it. Phew. So this is the phone. ये रहा आपका iPhone 13 midnight color में, which is 128 GB. फ़ोन अभी ऑन हो चुका है, लेकिन मैं इसको अभी तक सेटअप नहीं किया है. आई नीड टू सेट अप दिस phone. I've selected my language, my region. I have to do all that, and I have to transfer my data from this iPhone X, from which I'm recording, to this particular phone. और उसके बाद इसको यूज़ करेंगे. इसके साथ एज़ यूजुअल अडाप्टर तो मिलेगा नहीं, बस USB मिलती है आईफोन के साथ, सो इसमें खुश रहना पड़ेगा. बिफोर एंडिंग दिस वीडियो, आई वांट टू टेल यू गाइस कि ये येलो येलो चीज़ क्या है इस पर. नहीं, चाइनीज़ माल नहीं है. ये जो है पर स्टिकर्स लगे हुए हैं, इसका मतलब है कि एक डीलर से आया है जो फ्लिपकार्ट से एसोसिएटेड है, एंड इट इज़ फ्रॉम एप्पल ओनली. लेकिन ये जब फ्लिपकार्ट या अमेजोन से आप ऑर्डर करते हो तो बॉक्स के ऊपर ऐसे आपको स्टिकर्स लगे हुए आएंगे, एंड इट इज़ सोली बिकॉज they want to assure that the product is reaching to you and the product is authentic. One more thing, I already told you guys that I ordered this phone from Flipkart, and it's absolutely safe to order it online. Pehle I was also skeptic about that I should order it or not, but when I received and when I checked upon the information on how to receive it and how to proceed with the things, I was damn sure that my phone is going to be delivered to me safely. And I had this one OTP thing. I received an OTP when I placed the order of this phone, and I was supposed to give the OTP to the delivery person once I have unboxed and checked this phone that it is working or not. So it meanwhile it means that I've unboxed this phone at the time of delivery only, and I did it again in front of you guys to show you that how it works and all that. So guys, this is the end of the video, and I wanted to keep this video super short today because I just wanted you guys to know that I have made this purchase, and I'm going to be recording vlogs and other videos from this phone from now. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for watching my videos, and I'm really looking forward to provide you good quality content with entertainment and value. Goodbye. Like, share, subscribe, guys. Do watch my vlogs and other talks also.